Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So today we are going to discuss one another important and interesting topic, which is Lenskart IPO. So you all know that Lenskart IPO initiated from 31st October and it's closing on 4th November. So let's discuss more about the details. Generally, IPO price will be around 15,000. So this IPO is around 14,800 like this. You can see here like 14,134 for 37 shares, which is at the lower limit price band of 382. If we go for upper limit price band of 402 per share, it will be around 14,800. So let's take an example of 15,000 is the IPO band size. So what is the issue side? How much they are raising the fund using this IPO? Lenskart is raising the fund around 7,278 crores using this IPO. So as of now, the first day has been completed. 31st October has been completed. Now you can see that 76% of quota issued for qualified institutional buyers have been already applied. Similarly, for non-institutional investor, 27% of quota has been applied. Individual investor, more than 100% of quota has been applied. Employees quota, 92% of quota has been applied. So you can see the demand on even first day itself, the retail investors have went for over allotment. So you might be having a question, what are these kind of four categories, under which category we are going to come? So let's go into that. So you can see that regular, if you are applying as a regular category, you can apply with a price band of 382 to 402, which means you can only apply up to 2 lakhs of amount you can apply. You might be having, what is this up to 2 lakhs? Each lot is around 15,000. You can buy multiple lots also. You can buy 2 lots, you can buy 4 lots. Up to 2 lakhs if you are up investing, then you come under regular category. If you are an employee, at that time your price band for applying the IPO will be different, that is 363 to 383, around 20 rupees less than the regular price band. Here also you can apply only up to 2 lakhs. If you are going for more than 2 lakhs, then you come under high net worth individual, which also come under non-institutional investor. What does this qualified institutional buyer comes on? Qualified institutional buyers are those organization like mutual funds or any bigger corporate companies which are investing in a bulk amount, like in crores of amount they're applying and they're investing. Those all categories are comes under qualified institutional buyers. So now let's take some example. What is this 382 price band? What is this 402 price band? Like generally we can apply for IPO among this price band. Any price band you can apply. Suppose I have taken it here at cutoff price. If I am selecting at cutoff price, automatically it will be applied as, if suppose the cutoff is 400, then you will be allotted the share at 400 rupees, not instead of 402. But for safer purpose, what generally apply they will apply for at the maximum price band, because it's already more than 1x. A retail investor is already more than 1x on the first day itself. Then to get a safer allotment, we will be applying at a maximum price band instead of lower price band. If in this case you are applying for 382, it's confirmed that for you IPO will not be allotted. That's the reason I am applying for maximum price band 402. The shares, like, you can apply in lots, not in the one share, two share lot. You can apply in one lot, two lot. Suppose each lot is 37 shares. So if I am applying for 2 shares, the amount will be around 30,000. 3 shares, 45,000. Around 5 shares, 75,000. So multiples of 15,000 it will be increasing for every share, every lot. So this is the detail about Lenskart IPO. Now let's go deeper into the financials of this IPO for the past 3 years. So when we come for the revenue, for the past 3 years, it's showing a gradual increase in their revenue from 3,700 crores to 6,600 crores in 2025. When we come up on the total assets of the Lenskart Financial, so this also has seen a gradual growth in that, not drastic growth. It's showing a slow and steady growth from 9,500 crores to 10,400 crores as total assets of Lenskart. Now we come on profit, which is the most important for any business or any organization. When we see 2023, it was having a 63 crores loss, and when we come for 2024, it occurred as 10 crores of loss. So now in 2025, it has seen a tremendous growth with 297 crores in profit. So as companies expanding, their financials are also improving and their profits are becoming positive. So now they are entering into the IPO to expand their factory for manufacturing of spectacles and all. So they want some funds. So yeah, they're using these funds to establish an expansion of the organization. So, this is the brief detail about Lenskart IPO. If you are interested, apply in any of your broker, whether it might be Zorado, Grow, or Upstocks, or anything. If you are interested, go and apply for it. Don't don't wait for last moment. Have a great day. We will again meet in the next video with amazing topics.